Okay, well, I got my Walmart haul delivery, and I am not happy again. Didn't order the 24-pack big pack, I ordered the small pack. Okay. I mean, it does come out cheaper to order that way, but still got the Sprite lemonade. They didn't have my ginger ale that I like. So they gave me the bold, which I've never tried before. If anybody's tried it and like it, let me know, because I don't know if I'm going to like it. Okay, orange vanilla. I got 2 packs of that, and then the Voltage. I like to drink that once in a while, Mountain Dew, and it has ginseng in it. And blue raspberry, I like it once in a while. Okay, let's get started with the cold. I am going to write a really bad review because I am so pissed off. They put my eggs at the bottom of all the other, and my bananas at the bottom of all the other bags. I am not happy. Thank God they're double packed, but thank God they're not broken, or I would have been really, really mad. It don't make no darn sense. I got 2 things of whipped topping for some things I'm going to do. Some, I think, pies. I got this homemade vanilla Bluebell. Bluebell, to me, is the best ice cream ever. And I'm going to put... They didn't have the Kool-Aid that I want, so I bought some Crystal Light Wild Strawberry. And see if that does okay with it. But I'm going to make that Kool-Aid pie that Catherine made with ice cream. Kool-Aid ice cream pie. Okay, I got some Fairlife milk. Lactose free. Sorry. Okay. I'm going to try this. I like Marie Callender meals. So I'm going to try this pulled pork mac and cheese bowl. I bet it'll be good. Fettuccine and broccoli. Turkey breast. Did I order that? Honey roasted. I'm going to have to look at my... Because I see things on here I don't remember ordering. Meatloaf and gravy. Chicken pot pie. And then she's got a shepherd's pie. A beef shepherd's pie that I'm going to try. I've never tried hers. It looks new. Never seen it before. But I'm going to try it instead of making it myself. Sour cream. Didn't order this, but I don't see the pizza that I ordered. So I'm thinking it must be a substitute for pizza. Why didn't you just give me another kind of pizza then? They don't have the flatbread pizza that I like then. And give me, it's the same price. Give me a round one that's like it. Jeez. Or just don't give me anything and say they're out. Oh my goodness. And that, so now I got 2 subs. I did order the Philly cheesesteak. Because I like to take the inside out. And I cook it. I toast the bread. And then I melt the cheese on top. I don't know. Chicken breast. I finally got that. So I'm going to be making a stuffing chicken and the crock pot. 2 things of my probiotic drinks, Activia. Pork chops I'm going to do something with. Okay, now to the dry stuff. I got the onion dry soup mix. I get great value. It's the same as Lipton, just cheaper. I finally had the cinnamon swirl braided with the pecans on it that I've been wanting to try. It looks like it's going to be good. 2-gram crust pie crust, which was on the bottom too. They're not broken, I don't think. Drivers. Stovetop for the chicken recipe. I got a classic yellow for a dump cake. And I found this butter pecan that I'm going to try. They didn't have the spice cake that I wanted, but this might be good because I'm going to make a 100, well, I got 100% pure pumpkin because I'm going to make a pumpkin pie dump cake that I seen Jan Crescent make. I got this lemon cream I may do a pie with. I'm not sure yet, but I got it because it looked good. And just to have it when I find something to make with it. They finally had my peach pie filling that I'm going to make a dump cake with the yellow. Mushrooms, cream of chicken, which I'm not going to open the mushrooms yet until, because I got it basically to put on my pizza. Worcestershire sauce, got some vegetable oil because I was out of oil, and I got 7 bananas instead of 6. Oh boy. I'm telling you, these delivery drivers need to get it together. And why I got an extra sub in place of pizza, I have no idea. And I can't believe they're out of my ginger ale. Alright, so that's my Walmart haul. And aggravated again.